Another area I wanted to showcase was our main kitchen sink area. So you see a beautiful farmhouse sink, you see beautiful Kohler fixtures, and these are touchless features for the faucet. So if you're working, you got your hands dirty, you just bring your hand right under it and it turns on. The other thing that I want to talk about is our window trim and how we did that. So we talked about our nice 2.5-inch thick colonial casing. We have this really nice 1.25-inch stool, or you can call it a sill, but it is technically called a stool. And then we have this really nice apron, and it's all built to kind of go together and look very period correct and timeless, but it just adds a level of class and depth that we really like. And the stool here creates depth, creates an area to put a plant or, you know, a sponge or whatever, but it really just looks super sharp. The casing looks very good with our tile backsplash, and it just creates a very classy feel for this kitchen.